Good morning everyone. In today's video, we will discuss the topic identity theft. This topic comes in the chapter Society, Law and Ethics of 12th Computer Science Python. So we are going to discuss the topic identity theft. What is the meaning of identity theft? It is an online theft of personal information in order to commit fraud. Identity theft is the theft of personal information to commit a fraud. It is a theft of personal information in order to commit a fraud. Now, it occurs when someone uses our identity or our personal information. Personal information means such as our name, our license or our unique ID number without our permission to commit a crime or a fraud. It generally occurs when someone uses our identity or personal information. Personal information means such as our name, our license, our credit card information, our unique ID number, etc. without our permission to commit a crime or a fraud. It is the theft of personal information. Identity theft is the theft of personal information in order to commit a fraud. Now, how the identity theft is carried out? So this is the list of actions through which a person can commit a identity theft. Identity theft can be occur using phishing via your email account. The hacker will send you an email and that will look very genuine. So in that email, when you open that email, you will fill out your basic information, personal information. So the hacker will acquire your personal information, and using that personal information, that hacker can do the identity theft or can do the online fraud. Now, second is stealing your online purchase information. Suppose you are doing some online purchasing, so at that place you also fill your personal information. So the hackers can steal your personal information from the online purchase websites, and that sensitive information, such as credit card number or Aadhaar card number, they can be used for identity theft. Now, once personal information is obtained, when the personal information is obtained, a thief can commit any of the following crimes. Means once the information is obtained by the hacker, then he can commit any of the following crimes. First is credit card fraud. The thieves may obtain a new credit card, getting blocked your original card and asking for a duplicate one. The thieves may obtain a new credit card, getting blocked your original card and asking for a duplicate one, because the thief is having your personal information. So with the help of that personal information, the thieves may obtain a new credit card. They can apply for a new credit card after getting blocked your original card, and they can asking for a duplicate one. Second is change your personal information, because the thief is already having your sensitive information. So now they can use it to change your crucial information, such as your phone number. Now you would not be getting any SMS updates even after your bank accounts are being robbed, because the thief has changed the personal information, having the personal information, and with the help of that personal information he can apply for the change of phone number, and once the phone number is changed, you will not receive any SMS updates even after your bank accounts is being robbed by the thieves. Now third is phone or utilities fraud. Now thief is having your information, so the thieves may get new cell phones or get some utilities that require such information. So they can apply or they can purchase new utilities, or they can get new cell phones, because they are having your personal information, and using that personal information they can apply for any utility, or they can also purchase new cell phones. Bank theft, this is the third option, the point. Now fourth point is bank or finance fraud. Thieves may take out loans or a car in your name, because the thieves are having your personal information. So using that personal information they can apply or take out loans or a car in your name. Now what are the other frauds the thieves can commit? Thieves may use your Aadhaar number to get variety of services or even obtain a job in your name, or rob you of any financial benefit that is on your name. Thieves may use your Aadhaar number to get variety of services. They can apply for variety of services or even obtain a job in your name, or rob you of any financial benefit that is on your name. So this is all about the identity theft. So I hope that you understood this concept. Thank you.